It's recording.
Ready?
Yeah.
This is for my boy Omar, who calls me a liar. Doesn't even know how to wash his dog. Here we go. You ready? Ready? Okay. It's still recording, right?
Yeah.
Like I said, Omar, call me a liar. Call you a punk. Not only will I teach you how to wash a cat, but I'll teach you how to wash a dog. A dog is easy. A cat is not that easy. Here we go. Where are you going? Okay. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Alright? You okay? No. Omar, we'll get to the eyes in a few minutes. If you need to learn how to clean a dog's eyes, it's the same as cleaning a cat's eyes. Cat's eyes. Arrgh. He like it, but he don't love it. Samba? Samba? Oi? No. Let me get your tail. Let me get your tail. Let me get your tail, Papa. Let me get your tail, Papa. Where? He wants to bite me, but he can't. You know why? Cats like bats. If you teach them right, cats like bats.
He'll even take a damn shower with you.
Almost. Almost.
I've taken him in the shower, I'm telling you.
People don't believe it though that cats like bats. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright.
He's
So,
just like Lucky.
People that might be watching this video, as long as you're gentle and when they're wet, you can keep a good grip on their fur. You know, obviously, you just pull them a little tight so they can't take off. But they do like it if you get them used to taking baths when they are a small kitten. This is a feral family cat, meaning he was a wild baby at 1 or 2 months old, and he became our family cat, and now, twice a week, he gets a bath. And shampoo is not that complicated. Whatever kind of shampoo you have in your house will work. And you just have to keep them under control. Like I said, when their fur and their lining under their fur from their body is wet, it's very easy to grip, and they will be very calm as long as you start training them when they're a kitten. If you don't train them when they're a kitten, they're not gonna like it. And just like dogs, they love to have their ears a little wet. If he'll stay, see, he's a little wet, so he'll save his fur. But like the eyes, wipe your eyes. See, if you put your thumb in there and gently rub around, it's a little warm water, easy to clean. Eyes.
It's okay, Papa.
He's getting a little sketchy because now his head's getting a little wet. I recommend you wash the body first and then move towards the face because that's when they get a little angry.
And the
If you have a
lip,
cat,
their
yeah.
bite.
And then their whiskers, I try not to. Their whiskers are usually generally pretty clean speaking, but if you want to gently kind of rub them, if they have long whiskers, if they're a healthy cat, and that depends on what you feed them. Ooh. So I'm gonna do one more little rinse on his body, clean his face. He's ready to get out. He's been here for probably 5 minutes or so.
6 minutes.
6 minutes. So it's about time up. So I'm gonna finish with him. And then cats have a lot of hair. If you didn't know, yeah, they have a lot of hair. So I like to squeeze my cat. How's that funny?
Especially if they're long
So here we go.
hair.
He's gonna start crying, but watch. You squeeze the tail, squeeze the arms, and all the fur around the outside of the
He's
head.
gonna
He's
bite
gonna get mad
you.
a little bit. No, he won't bite you. He just wants to get dry now. He wants to be warm and dry.
He's cold.
Cold right away. But the more water you get off the cat, the better.
You're okay,
Because
Papa.
he'll dry faster and be happier quicker. So I squeeze the arms and the paws. Yeah, I'm sorry. So you can tell when they're in water, they're okay. When they come out of water is when they get mad. So this is what I recommend. You put the phone on the towel. Oh.
Try to stop it.
Yeah, no, put the phone on the towel. So we're going for the towel over a chair. Got it? Okay, so we got a towel over the chair. We wrap the towel that was folded over the chair, over the cat. Wrap them all up. So it's still gonna cry. It's gonna cry. Any cat cry, pretty much. They'll be normal. And then you start to massage them like a little baby. Yeah. Won't bite. Cover the head and everything. He's got a little bit of back sticking out right now, but that's okay. As long as the head's covered for the first couple minutes, he won't bite. See? He knows he had a bath. He's happy. He's a good kid. So now the main thing is to rub them down. And then when you rub them down, they're going to want to run off to a quiet place, which is completely normal. Yeah, he won't run off. But he might be crying. He's not crying because he's sad or mad. He's crying because he just wants to be let go. He wants to be let go.
And he's cold.
He's cold. He's going to be a little bit cold. Okay. So once you have him pretty much dry, sit on the floor like this. Ready? Arrgh! And then take off. He'll go find a warm spot. He'll crawl in a ball. And by tomorrow morning, probably 8 hours, 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours, he'll be completely dry. He'll be a brand new, clean, healthy
Where
cat.
do I stop it?
Thanks for watching my video. This was my video on how to clean or wash a cat. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the bottom. Thank you very much. Have a good night.